Most people think discipline is about being strong. They think disciplined people wake up motivated. They think they have more willpower. That's not true. The truth is simple. Discipline is not something you have. It's something you build. And if discipline feels hard for you, it doesn't mean you are weak. It means your environment is working against you. Let's talk about why discipline feels impossible. You wake up with good intentions. You plan to work. You plan to focus. You plan to improve your life. But then, you check your phone. One notification becomes 10 minutes. 10 minutes becomes an hour. By the end of the day, you feel tired, disappointed, and frustrated. You tell yourself, I'll do better tomorrow. But tomorrow looks the same. This creates a dangerous loop. You fail to act. You blame yourself. You feel guilty. Then you lose confidence. Over time, you start believing a lie. I'm just not disciplined. But discipline was never the real problem. The real problem is how modern life is designed. Everything around you is built to distract you, to make things easy now and harder later. You are not lazy. You are overloaded. Here is the mindset shift. Discipline is not about forcing yourself. It is about reducing friction. Friction is anything that makes a behavior harder. And most people live with friction in the wrong places. Think about it. Your phone is always close. Your goals are far away. Your bed is comfortable. Your workout clothes are hidden. Your snacks are visible. Your notebook is buried in a drawer. Of course, discipline feels hard. You are fighting your environment every day. Disciplined people don't fight their environment. They design it. They make bad choices harder and good choices easier. They don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems. This is the real secret. Let's make this practical. Example 1. Focus. If you want to focus but keep checking your phone, the problem is not your attention. The problem is access. A simple fix. Put your phone in another room or leave it in a drawer. Now focusing requires less discipline because distraction is no longer easy. Example 2. Exercise. Most people say, I don't feel like working out. But look closer. Workout clothes are far away. Shoes are not ready. The gym feels like a big decision. Instead, try this. Prepare your clothes the night before. Place your shoes near the door. Now starting is easy. And once you start, momentum takes over. Example 3. Learning. You want to learn a skill, but you wait for free time. Free time never comes. Instead, schedule learning like brushing your teeth. Same time, same place. Small sessions. 10 minutes a day beats 0. Consistency creates identity. You don't become disciplined by trying harder. You become disciplined by repeating small actions until they feel normal. Here is the takeaway. Stop asking, how do I get more disciplined? Start asking, how can I make this easier? Design your space. Design your routine. Design your defaults. Remove friction from good habits. Add friction to bad ones. Discipline is not self-punishment. It is self-respect. You don't need to change who you are. You need to change what surrounds you. Do that consistently, and discipline will stop feeling hard. It will feel natural.